would be the marks though?
So those are the breech face marks. So those are going to be the marks that are not the firing pin, but kind of on either side of the firing pin.
Oh, okay.
So remember when we were looking at the circular marks, the arch marks, the parallel breech face marks, those will be on either side of the firing pin. Kind of a good example to look at is the board up there. You can kind of see where the fire.
So interesting.
Let's say it's on carpet, do we want to reproduce it?
4 minutes.
I have to get a piece of carpet that's built the same and reproduce the same. Now let's say we take this. Right, there's not a lot of blood there, right? And what happens is blood weighs a certain amount. So these things come here.
Anybody see any stains on that one? Where'd you see some?
It detects a very minute or diluted amount of blood. So what happens, let's say a suspect killed someone, got blood on his shoes, started walking out, and you could actually see the shoe prints kind of going out. But all of a sudden the shoe prints kind of, the blood gets diluted and you kind of lose the trail. Let's say we want to find the trail. Might use a chemical like this. This is called luminal.
Oh my gosh.
So watch when I stop, the light stops emitting, but then I can spray more, kind of comes back. It's the chemiluminescence reaction. So as part of the reaction, light is emitted.